Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about one of the most important concepts while reading charts or analyzing charts, which is called as time frame. Okay, so this is a 2-hour chart, as you can see, of Euro USD, Euro versus dollar. So what you can see here is price went up, then it went down, then it went up, then it went down, then it went up, then down, then now it's going up. So what trend are you seeing here? So if I create some arrows, so here it was an uptrend, right? And then it was a downtrend here, okay? Then it was again an uptrend after that, so this was an uptrend, okay? Then after this, price went down, so it was a downtrend. Then after that, price is just moving in this range, so I can do that price is just moving in this range, right? So if I can, yeah, so price is just moving in this range, so I can do like that. Okay, so what you can see here, it's an uptrend, then it's a downtrend, then uptrend, then it's horizontal trend. Okay, so we can figure it out that by looking at a 2-hour chart, we define that there is a trend going on, and we will analyze and we will put trades according to that. Am I right? So if you look at a bigger time frame chart, let's open a daily chart and remove all the drawing tools. Okay, so now if you see, earlier in a 2-hour chart we saw that it's a horizontal trend, but when you open a daily chart, it is completely giving us a picture that it is a downtrend. You see, price is just going down, you see, continue to go down. Okay, so it depends upon what time frame chart you're looking at. So if you're trying to buy, or if you're trying to sell or go long or go short, you have to first understand that what time frame are you trading. Are you a short-term trader? Are you a long-term trader? Do you need to see that what long-term picture is saying? So if a short-term trend is saying that we have buying opportunities, but the long-term trend is saying that price might go down anytime soon, okay, so will you sell it? Will you buy it? It depends upon your kind of mentality, and the whole idea of teaching you time frame is because you should understand the bigger picture first, and then start digging up and start going to a smaller time frame chart to get a clear picture. So time frame has a lot of value. Once you understand that what time frame you are reading and what is the trend, then you can easily identify that what are the key areas to enter the trade. Okay, so what time frame gives you? In short, it gives you clarity of the market, of any pair, of any price action, that what is the trend. Now let's open a different chart and see. Okay, so this is a New Zealand dollar versus US dollar chart. So again, what we see here, we see a clear uptrend, right? So if I draw a line here, we see uptrend, then we see some downtrend here on a 2-hour chart. See some downtrend here, and then what we see uptrend here, right? So it's ideally an uptrend. So this is a 2-hour chart. Now think of a scenario that you are buying because the price is just going up. Why will you sell it? Okay, so let's clear this drawing tools and let's open a 1-day chart. See, it is a completely downtrend. So price, whenever it goes up a bit, it goes back down. So if you see a bigger picture, it's clearly a downtrend. So why will you buy? Because you were thinking that it might go up because you are looking at a smaller time frame chart. So this is what I was trying to tell you, that the bigger picture is always important when you're looking at the charts. It's always recommended to have a bigger picture first. So generally when I trade, what I do, I prefer, let's suppose we want to pick another or this pair, let's say we want to analyze that what is going on. So how do I analyze? Firstly, I try to open a weekly chart. So this is a software called Trading View, where you can also I'll just write, this is tradingview.com. So you can always get a free account here and analyze chart. It is just awesome. So yeah, so what I was telling, that when I trade or when I analyze chart, I will try to open a weekly chart first and see what is the trend. So see, the trend is still down. So it went down, then it went up for a bit, then again it is going down, and it starts to go up. So the overall trend is down. So this gives me an idea that it is okay to sell rather buy, right? If you see a long-term trend, then I will start digging up daily chart or a 4-hour chart for a potential sell entries or buying entries, whatever. Sometimes the long-term trend is down, but you will have an awesome opportunity in a short-term trend which is not positively related to your long-term picture. Let's suppose a long-term picture is going down, long-term trend is down, and you have a long opportunity in a short-term trend. Do not hesitate to do that, because you have identified a trend and you know that this trend, the short-term trend, will prevail for some other hours or maybe another 2-3 hours or 4 hours. So why to hesitate, and you will miss that trade. So do not hesitate. It's just you should be confident enough to take that trade. You should identify small term trends, long term trends, and then take action. Okay, I'm not saying that you cannot trade on a shorter time frame. You can, if you know how to trade and you are very confident in identifying trend and what are the key areas to enter and exit trade. That's all. So the only thing what matter here is, can you able to identify trend. In this particular video, we'll talk about different time frames, and we'll try to focus on getting a clear picture of the trend. So by using different time frame charts, you will identify that trend is up, trend is down, or horizontal. Once you have identified it, we will then proceed to take different entries. Okay, so these are all the time frames that you have. 1 second, 5 second, 15, 20, 30, 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, and 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. So I try to start with a 1 week, then I will go to 1 day or 4-hour chart. Potentially all major reversals, what I try to do it is on 1 day and 4-hour chart. It gives me a clear picture. So this is it. This is a small video on time frame. I hope you liked it. So just keep watching all my videos and try to understand the mentality of charts, and then you will be confident in taking any position. Okay, so I'll talk about maybe support and resistance or trend line in the next video. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.